हाँ जी, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. One of your classmates is not present today. His name is Abdul Khalik. Yesterday you were assigned to write 20 V1s. You've done?
Yes, sir.
Just take out your notebook, please. On the paper which contains all those 20 V1s, please open it. You've taken out? That's in front of you right now. See, we were at this point, who, and the first who was I. Then this was your assignment, V1. My V1 is speak. What? Speak. If you ask me, this Rafi, what do you do in your 24 hours? So my answer will be very simple, that I speak, मैं बोलता हूँ, I eat, मैं खाता हूँ, I drink, मैं पीता हूँ, अब पीने से बड़ा कुछ और नहीं, ठीक है जी? Again, I walk, मैं चलता हूँ, I run, मैं दौड़ता हूँ, I talk, मैं बातें करता हूँ, I think, मैं सोचता हूँ, बात क्लियर? Before I called you over here, please let me know any 5 activities which you do daily. Only I and V1, nothing else. Clear? Only V1, I plus V1, nothing else. What do you do?
I speak.
I speak. Finish. I? You ready? जरा समझिएगा हम क्या करने लगे हैं. यही तक है ना. I speak. What does he do? He speaks. What do you speak? What do you speak? मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूँ? आप क्या बोलते हैं? मैंने कहा क्या करते हो? मैंने कहा मैं बोलता हूँ. मैंने कहा क्या बोलते हो? What do you speak? What do you speak?
English.
I speak English. Complete answer, my son.
I speak English.
What does he speak?
He speaks English.
Very. What do you speak?
I eat.
What? Very. Okay, चलो ठीक है. You eat. What does he do?
He eats.
Very good. What do you eat?
He eats apple.
Complete answer, my
He
son.
eats apple.
I eat. I eat. See, I speak. I speak. I eat. I run. I talk. I open. I close. I climb. Clear?
Yes.
I come. I go. I enter. I exit. I drive. Clear?
Yes.
I love. I hate. I love. I hate. D. What do you eat?
I eat apple.
Very good. You eat apples. Apples, not apple.
Apple.
या तो क्या है ना, I eat an apple before I go to bed. ठीक है, मैं सोने से पहले एक सेब खाता हूँ. Clear?
Yes.
अगर कह रहे ना मैं सेब खाता हूँ तो फिर ये नहीं कहना I eat apple. It's wrong. I eat apples. Plural. I eat bananas. I eat mangoes. I eat grapes. I eat dates. Man, I love to eat dates. Dates क्या? वो वाली डेट नहीं जो आप सुन रहे हैं. खजूरें. ठीक है ना, अपडेट से बजाय आप सुनिएगा नहीं, देखिएगा खजूरों का जिक्र हो रहा है. You got it? Okay, see you at home. जी, बात क्लियर हुई?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What does he eat?
He eats apples.
Apples. Apples. A. अंग्रेजी नहीं. English. जी. Apples. Apples.
Apples.
Very good.
Apples.
Very good.
Apples.
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 Very good.
Apples.
Apples. What do you do?
I observe.
I observe. What does he observe? कोई गल नहीं. तुसी सोची बैठे हो ना. चलो ठीक है. What does he do? What does he do?
He learn English.
No. What do you do?
I observe.
Very. What does he do?
He observes.
He observes. What do you observe? What do you observe? I observe the nature. I observe the nature. Clear? I observe the movements. I observe what? The traffic, the stars, the movement of the stars. Clear? What do you observe?
I observe the nature.
The nature. Very good. What does he observe?
He observes nature.
He observes the nature. What do you do? I drive. Very good. What does he do?
He drives.
सारे बोलना करें. What does he do?
He drives.
Very good. What do you drive? You drive a car. What does he drive?
He drives a
Very
car.
good. नहीं आ रही. You know the meaning of just now. It means are you enjoying? No.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
You try to understand something.
Yes.
English is easy or difficult? It's very easy. It's very easy. Keep in mind, just like the Holy Quran, you can memorize it in a very short span of time. Very simple. What? मतलब मौलवी नहीं पढ़ा गया तो ये बहुत चंगा है. ऐसा मौलवी पढ़ा हुआ, मौलवी ने ये भी कर सकता था कुरान में. Honey, what do you try? Very good. And what do you do?
He eats apple.
No, no. What do you do?
He eats.
What
Oh,
do you
I eat.
I ate. I.
I.
There's no I the gay. There's no I gay. It's I.
I eat.
I eat. What does he do?
He eats.
Very good. What do you eat?
He eats apple. I eat apple.
दिशान बिल्कुल बिल्कुल रिलैक्स बिल्कुल है ये सब में जैसे घर बैठे दोस्तों ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਾਂ करते थे आप दोस्तों से बातचीत कर रहे हो इस तरह टेंशन लेते हो ऐसी बात करते हो यार मेरी बात सुनना यार ऐसे करते हैं नहीं हम क्या कहते हैं सुनो यार क्या सुनो देखो आगे बात सुनिए बेटा यार वो कल बहुत मजा आएगा पार्क में ये बातें होती हैं तो हम वही तो करते हैं क्यों अपने आप को इतना टेस्ट करते हो सवाल करते हो just take it easy no stay relaxed what do you do
I eat apple.
I ate simple first I ate what does he do
He
he eats apples
I eat apple.
what do you do
I look.
I look very good what does he do
He
he looks अब याद रखिए मैं एक बात करने लगा हूँ everybody should be attentive इन्होंने क्या कहा था I look I look I look I look I look ऐसे ना मैं एक लफ्ज ऐड करूँ मुझे बताना मैंने क्या ऐड किया What do you look at मैंने क्या ऐड किया at very good I listen to कहते हैं ना I listen what do you listen to I wait what do you wait for याद रही बात मैंने कितने लफ्ज बोले 3 look at listen listens to ऐसे ना जी wait for ये याद रखना what do you look at I look at the Holy Quran what does he do very now ready अब पता क्या करना है ये काम मैं कर रहा था ये आपने करना और जो आप कर रहे थे वो उसमें मैंने करना ये वहाँ बस नहीं एक और प्रैक्टिस करवा दो डरा तो नहीं बोलूँ तो फिर बड़े दिल से को नहीं करना रहने देने के लिए मीडियम है ना असाइनमेंट का है जी Saim is standing in front of you who is standing in front of you he has a list of words he is going to read the words which he reads and you too have in your register just cross it मेरी बात समझ आई ये लफ्ज पढ़ने जा रहा है मसला ये पढ़ता है ईट अगर आपने लिखा हुआ है ना आपने भी लिखा हुआ आप उसे क्या कर देंगे ताकि लफ्ज रिपीट ना बात समझ आई प्लीज ओपन योर लिस्ट open it you opened what's your first word sleep you have sleep cross it नंबर लगाएंगे आपने आइंदा याद रखना आप हो गए ना अब टाइम पड़ा आइंदा आपने क्या करना जब भी मैं एक असाइनमेंट दूंगा ना इस तरह नहीं बस मैंने कहा था 20 V1 तो आपने क्या करना है 1 2 3 4 5 ठीक है ना वो उसका हिसाब करना उस कैलकुलेट करना आसान होता है खुशबू लगता है अब ये बात दोबारा ना कहनी पड़ेगा I'm talking to my sons now keep in mind my friends ये number 2 read very good son very good better read you have जो भी कहते हैं वो काट देगी number 3 play no next better wear mean I wear dress I wear uniform I wear shoes I wear glasses play I wear the underwear the garments no eat very good next better walk I walk I talk G stand नहीं है next better sit G drink my son on both sides drink G drive G look G teach very good teach G
learn. L-E-A-R-N, learn. जी, improve. Improve, याद है करने वाली बात? We improve.